Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha and I'm so happy to have you guys here with me once again. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं स्किन केयर रूटीन के बारे में और कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है एक स्किन केयर रूटीन को फॉलो करना. But before we begin the video, I would like to give a small disclaimer. I am no expert in skincare, but yes, ये जो भी points मैं इस वीडियो में cover करने वाली हूँ, these are the points which I'll be raising through my own experience. ये वो points हैं जो मैंने खुद अपने experience से सीखे हैं, अपने ज़िंदगी में implement किए हैं, and I have researched a lot. I've seen a lot of videos, read a lot of articles, visited a lot of dermats, and उसी के बाद आज मैं यहाँ पे आपको अपने experience के बारे में share करने वाली हूँ. So if you like the video, you know what you have to do. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can, support me and show your love and appreciation towards my work. And share the video with your friends and family, and comment down below if there's any recommendation, any feedback, or there's anything that you would like to ask me. I would love to answer it for you all. And now let's get started with the video. So in this video I'll be covering 4 important points. One is कि क्यों ज़रूरी होता है एक स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉलो करना. What are the benefits of a good skin care routine and why is it important? Second is what is the process of the skin care routine? What are the methods of skin care routine that one must adopt? Third is what are the different types of skin and how can you identify what skin type do you have? Because आपका skin care mainly dependent होता है आपके skin type पे. So understanding your skin type is a very important factor. And lastly, I'll be taking you through the products that I use for my own skincare routine. So yes, why is a skincare routine a must and what are the benefits of it? तो एक स्किन केयर रूटीन ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि फर्स्ट इट हेल्प्स योर स्किन स्टे इन अ गुड कंडीशन. सो आपको ये चीज़ समझनी पड़ेगी कि आपका जो स्किन है वो रोज़ अपने सेल्स को शेड करता है. तो आप जब अपने स्किन का ख्याल रखते हैं तो इट हेल्प्स योर स्किन स्टे इन अ वेरी गुड कंडीशन. आप प्री मैच्योर एजिंग को प्रिवेंट करते हैं. तो एंड यू फील कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज यू लुक good. So having a good skin also helps in confidence boosting. Second is you look more youthful. So when you start taking care of your skin at the right age, the results show when you age. So आपका जो aging है वो थोड़ा सा delay हो जाता है and you look more youthful. Obviously when you take care of your skin glows, your skin is in a condition, your skin is healthy, as a result of which you look more young. And third is prevention is better than correction. It is very important to you can prevent a lot of skin issues by taking care of it instead of fixing it once the issues have already arrived. So yeah, these are the few important points as to why a good skincare routine is a must. Now understand what are the methods or the steps of a good skincare routine. So the first step is cleansing your face. तो आप शुरुआत करते हैं अपने skincare routine की with a cleanser. तो आप कोई भी क्लेंजर यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो आपके स्किन टाइप को सूट करे. सो इन केस इफ यू हैव ड्राई स्किन, ट्राई यूजिंग अ क्लेंजर विच इज़ अल्कोहल फ्री सो दैट आपके स्किन को बहुत ड्राई ना करे. एंड इन केस यू आर अ ऑयली पर्सन यू कैन यूज़ gel based cleanser or a oil free cleanser. So the next step of the skincare routine is to apply a toner. Now a lot of people are unaware about the importance of toners, but guys let me tell you, a toner is so important क्योंकि after you wash your face, टोनर क्या करता है आपके जो भी आपके स्किन के न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं उनको लॉक कर देता है एंड आपके स्किन को सूट करता है, काम करता है, आपके पोर्स को टाइटन कर देता है ताकि कोई भी एनवायरमेंटल कंटेनमेंट जो है आपके पोर में दोबारा ना एंटर कर सके इजीली. एंड ऑल्सो it adds another level of hydration before you step into the step number 3 of the skincare routine, that is moisturization. And अगर आपके फेस में कोई भी बैक्टीरिया, डर्ट, ग्राइम, मेकअप है जो आपका क्लेंजर नहीं निकाल पाया, कोई भी ट्रेसेस है वो टोनर से निकल आता है. सो अ टोनर इज़ very important. So after you have applied your toner, now comes the time to moisturize your face. So irrespective of what skin type you are, whether you're dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin or combination skin, a moisturizer is a must. So depending on what skin type you have, you can pick up your moisturizer as per in accordance with that. So in case you have a oily skin, you can use a very lightweight or gel based moisturizer. If you have dry skin, you can use a little heavy and glycerin based moisturizer. So Yeah, so a moisturization is important to keep you moisturized throughout the day, to keep all the moisture in your skin intact. Now let's come to the next point. So after moisturization, जो सबसे important ज़रूरी step होता है, that is to apply a sunscreen. Now यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग confuse हो जाते हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों को ये लगता है कि sunscreen लगाना सिर्फ तभी ज़रूरी है जब वो घर के बाहर जाते हैं या दिन का टाइम है या धूप है. But guys, that is not true. You have to apply a sunscreen even if, irrespective of whether it is sunny, it is cloudy, it is daytime, it is night time, irrespective of the weather, you have to apply a sunscreen. So आपको we need to understand here that हम sunscreen लगाते हैं to protect ourselves from the harsh ultraviolet radiations. So ये जो ultraviolet rays है ये throughout the day रहते हैं. So it is just not during the day time कि बाहर धूप है तो हमें sunscreen लगाना चाहिए. ये rays हमेशा रहते हैं, तो sunscreen सिर्फ apply ही नहीं करना होता है, उसको throughout the day reapply करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Like for example, आप घर पे हैं, आप बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर यूज़ करते हैं, so your most of the time goes over the screen. आप टीवी देखते हैं, that's also when your skin is exposed to a lot of radiations that are emitted through these devices. So तब भी सनस्क्रीन लगाना ज़रूरी है. एंड बहुत सारे लोगों को ये लगता है कि रात को बाहर जा रहे हैं तो सनस्क्रीन की क्या ज़रूरत है, बट गाइज लेट मी टेल यू, अप्लाइंग अ सनस्क्रीन ड्यूरिंग द नाइट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, these rays are always there around us. So if you are stepping outside your house, even in the evening or in the night, you have to apply a sunscreen. You can use any sunscreen which has broad spectrum and with a minimum of SPF 30. Anything anything above SPF 30 is good to go for you. So yeah, you can avoid applying a sunscreen if you are if you are indoors during the night time, but otherwise you should apply a sunscreen. The next point is exfoliation. तो आप अपना फेस स्क्रब कर सकते हैं, एक्सफोलिएट कर सकते हैं maximum once or twice a week. Depending on the skin type, you can use your exfoliator, the brand or the product as per your skin type. You can use coffee based exfoliators, apricot or any other based exfoliators for your skin. So there are two more steps to your skincare routine which are not mandatory, but they are optional. You can use them if you prefer them. One of them is applying a serum. So now what a serum does is, serum is very issue specific. तो अगर for example you have a issue of pigmentation or dark circles, तो आप जो सीरम अप्लाई करते हैं वो स्पेशली हैंड क्राफ्टेड होता है, क्यूरेटेड होता है उसी पर्टिकुलर इशू के लिए, तो उसी इशू को एड्रेस करता है. सो यू कैन यूज अ सीरम. एंड अनदर स्टेप दैट यू कुड ऐड इन योर स्किन केयर रूटीन इज अप्लाइंग अ फेस मास्क. सो यू कुड अप्लाई अ फेस मास्क वंस और ट्वाइस अ वीक. एंड आजकल तो बहुत टाइप के फेस मास्क आते हैं. यू हैव शीट मास्क, क्ले मास्क एंड रबर मास्क. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो रिजॉर्ट टू अप्लाइंग अ face mask once or twice a week. So these are the two steps that are not mandatory, but they are optional. If you prefer doing it, you can do, and it's always better to take care of your skin and apply these 5 steps. But इसके अलावा कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो hand in hand करनी पड़ती हैं. They go hand in hand. So apart from cleansing, toning, moisturizing, applying a sunscreen and exfoliating your face once a week, it is very important कि side by side you stay hydrated. So keep yourself hydrated, drink lots and lots and lots of water. Always make sure that you remove your makeup after you've completed your day or before you are hitting the bed. It is very important to remove your makeup. बहुत सारे लोग मेकअप के साथ सो जाते हैं, but guys it is very 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 रिस्की. वो आपके स्किन को बहुत डैमेज करता है, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, जो डर्ट होता है, बैक्टीरिया होता है, जो मेकअप होता है, जब वो रह जाता है तो आपके पोर्स को क्लॉग कर देता है. एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच यू टेंड टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रेकआउट, पिंपल्स हो रहे होते हैं, ब्रेकआउट हो रहा होता है, एंड आपकी स्किन बहुत डैमेज्ड हो जाती है. तो प्लीज़ 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 मेकअप ज़रूर उतारें. एंड रात को व्हेन यू आर हिटिंग द बेड, अगर आप मेकअप नहीं भी अप्लाई करते हैं, मेक श्योर यू वॉश योर फेस, apply the skincare routine that you follow, and then you go off to bed. So these are the 5 most important steps that one must follow in their skincare routine. But इसके अलावा अगर आप इतना इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं, आप घरेलू नुस्खे भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. I have been used besan as a cleanser. You can add turmeric into it because turmeric acts as an antiseptic. तो आपके स्किन को सूद करता है, काम करता है, हील भी करता है. तो आप बेसन और टर्मरिक का मिक्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं एज अ क्लेंजर. And you can also use lemon juice with sugar or salt as a scrub. But while you use this as a exfoliator, please make sure you're very slow and gentle on your face, क्योंकि थोड़े से harsh हो सकते हैं, but they are very good and effective. And you can also use makhan as a moisturizer. So these are the few DIY and the घरेलू nuskas that my mom uses, and I've grown up seeing her use them, and she still until now she uses them. And also resort to घरेलू nuskas if you don't want to invest or you think they are the best for you, because let's not deny the fact कि home remedies बहुत अच्छी होती है, बहुत effective होती है, and ये जो भी हम स्किन केयर यूज़ करते हैं ये home remedies से ही सब आया है. So yeah, now let's try and understand what are the skin types and how can you identify what skin type do you have. So there are 5 basic type of skin types: oily skin type, normal skin type, dry skin type, sensitive skin type and combination skin type. So कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे अगर आपके पास नॉर्मल स्किन टाइप है? तो इफ़ यू हैव नॉर्मल स्किन टाइप, योर स्किन विल नाइदर बी टू ऑयली नॉट टू ड्राई. इट विल बी अ वेरी वेल बैलेंस्ड स्किन. आपका जो pH लेवल होगा वो बहुत बैलेंस्ड होगा. आपका ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बहुत अच्छा होगा. आपका जो स्किन का टेक्सचर है वो बहुत स्मूथ होगा. आपके जो पोर्स है वो बहुत फाइन होंगे, बहुत लार्ज नहीं होंगे. एंड यू विल नॉट हैव एनी सेंसिटिविटी. यू विल हैव नो ब्लेमिशेस. यू विल हैव फ्यू और वेरी लिटिल लेस टू as good as no breakouts. So that's when you know that you have a normal skin. And how can you identify if you have a oily skin? So oily skin can be characterized by a very greasy texture. आपका बहुत एक oily and greasy appearance होगा, and बहुत बड़े pores होंगे, enlarged pores होंगे. आप बहुत prone होंगे acne breakouts को, and बहुत सारा sebum, excess sebum production होगा. So that's when you know you are a oily skin type person. And if you are a dry skin type of person, you will have a very rough and flaky skin, and at times वो आपको बहुत tight feel करेगा, बहुत irritation भी दे सकता है. So that's when you know that you have a dry skin type. And if you have a combination skin type, so basically combination skin type is a mix of dry skin type and oily skin type. So अगर आपके पास combination skin है तो आपकी जो टी जोन है वो बहुत ऑयली रहेगी और जो आपका चीक्स का एरिया है वो बहुत ड्राई रहेगा. तो दैट्स व्हेन यू नो दैट यू आर अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप. एंड सेंसिटिव स्किन में क्या होता है, इफ़ यू हैव अ सेंसिटिव स्किन टाइप तो आप समर्स में ऑयली हो जाओगे, विंटर्स में ड्राई होगे, एंड यू विल बिकम रेड द मोमेंट यू कम आउट ऑफ अ शावर, and your skin reacts to any new product that you use on your skin. So these are a few points you know that you have a sensitive skin. So yeah, if you have a sensitive skin, my advice would be don't go very overboard with your skincare routine. Apply a very basic and mild cleanser, exfoliator and moisturizer, and try doing a patch test before you buy any product and before you apply anything on your face. If within 24 hours it doesn't cause you any irritation and it works for you, you're good to go with that product. So these are the 5 types of skin. एंड अगर आपको इससे भी बेटर अगर आपको कुछ ट्राई करना है टू सी व्हाट स्किन टाइप यू आर, यू कैन टेक अ ब्लॉटिंग पेपर. आप कोई भी मार्केट में जाइए, यू गेट अ ब्लॉटिंग पेपर ईजिली, एंड यू कैन टैप इट ऑल ऑन योर फेस एंड पुट इट क्लोज टू द लाइट. सो इफ योर ब्लॉटिंग पेपर has oil from all parts of your face, you are an oily skin type. If it has very little or equal to no oil, you are a normal skin type person. And if it has oil only from your T-zone and it has picked up no oil from your cheeks, you have a combination skin type. So that's a small trick that you can use to check and determine what skin type you are. So now I'll take you through the products that I use for my skin. So yeah, here are the products that I use for my skin. I have a combination skin type, so let's see what are the products I use for my skin. The face wash that I use for my face is the Glowgeous face wash. This is a medicated face wash which is suggested by my dermat. I have a slight pigmentation problem here, so this is the reason I use this face wash. It is really nice if you have a pigmented skin, and it does not cause dryness after application. It is very skin friendly and very, very mild. If you can see, the texture of the face wash is gel consistency, and it has tiny granules in it. So it is a very, very mild cleanser for your skin and very, very gentle on your skin. I don't scrub my face that often, but I try and exfoliate my face at least once a week. So the face scrub that I use is by Mamaearth. I use the Mamaearth Uptan face scrub, which is with turmeric and walnut. So the best part about this face scrub is that the texture of this face scrub is really nice. The apricot grains are not very hard. They are very gentle and hard, easy on your skin. They are not very harsh. They're not very rough. So that's the best part about this face scrub, and it also helps in tan removal. So this is the scrub that I use. After washing my face and scrubbing my face once a week, the toner that I use every day after cleansing my face is the Clinique Clarifying Lotion 3, and the number 3 is for the combination skin type. So this is the toner that I use. Make sure you definitely use a toner after you wash your face. So there are a lot of toners available in the market in all sort of ranges. You can buy one that suits your range, your budget and your skin. So after completing my wash, the cream that I use for my moisturizer, as my moisturizer is the Pond's Light Moisturizer for soft and glowing skin, which has vitamin E and glycerine in it. This is a very, very, very good moisturizer and a very budget friendly moisturizer, very reasonable, and I think one of the best moisturizers there out in the market. It is very lightweight, it is very smooth, it gets absorbed in the skin very easily. It has a beautiful fragrance, not very overpowering, very mild, and it keeps you moisturized throughout the day. It is very, very good to apply before your makeup. And if you have a very oily skin type, then Pond's has the same variant in a very gel formula. You could try that cream, but I use the normal one, which is this one. And I guess this is very reasonable. It comes for around 200 rupees, 200 to 300 rupees, which is very reasonable. So these are the skincare products that I use for my skin. I hope you liked the video. Please do down below and let me know what are your skin concerns and what are the products that you like to use. And yes, I'm looking forward to make more such videos for you guys. So please do recommend what could I make in my next video. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye, stay safe and love you all.